Lama. Này, đồ ăn kinh ni. Mali ni.
The drone is currently in a tree behind me.
Theo. Mani. Mấy cái, các kinh ăn mà.
Spaghetti and shrimp for breakfast. That was actually very delicious. The second day here in Krabi, took a stroll down the street from my hotel, getting breakfast, spaghetti and shrimp. You know, shout out to my stomach for sticking in there with me. Check this out. And I guess it was like 11 o'clock, so I guess spaghetti and shrimp isn't that crazy. This is the kind of stuff that you could just like sit out here and look at for hours. Something about just like the size of these islands really just makes you pause and take a moment. Definitely quite the sight. You have Ao Nang Beach and Railay Beach. There are tons of restaurants. You know, I budget out my money for entertainment, transport, and food. Part of me wants to switch all of the entertainment budget into food just so I can eat the entire time I'm here. I mean, just random foods, stuff that usually I don't eat. So again, more signal interference. The drone is currently in a tree behind me. Trying to figure out how to get it out the tree. We'll see if I can get it back. MIA. RIP to the drone. It's up there. The drone might be revived from drone heaven. Okay, this is the drone hero. Okay, so today has been a day, so really interesting day. Like seriously, that's the thing about solo travel. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what's gonna happen. You never really have too much planned. That's kind of the thing. If you're someone who really needs a lot of stuff planned in order to be comfortable with like anything, then you know, definitely solo travel could be a useful exercise for you to see that a lot of stuff you might just not be able to plan. You know, it teaches you how to be a good problem solver. You know, one thing about solo travel, you know, I could have this on my resume. You know, I'm like a master problem solver. You're out here by yourself and stuff goes wrong, you know. It's 100% on you to figure it out. So, you know, if you get lost, then you're lost, not you and a friend. It's like you on your own are lost. Hold on, check out these stairs. Here's the secret beach number 1. Just took a little walk through the hills and stuff back there. Then you come out to this one which looks like this. Quite the scene. You have like these giant pieces of rock that just jet out of the ocean. What to do? Guess just get some sun, you know, take some breaths, enjoy the air. Beautiful scene here. Yeah, I just can't wait to get some food and put this video together. Little diagnosis on the drone. I did fly it again. It was giving me camera issues. Drones also go through trauma, just like we do when they get lost in trees. I'm gonna give the drone some time. I'm gonna check in with it like later this evening and see. Okay, I'm on this little floating pier. I just have to check out some of these views here. So I feel like I'm on a boat, this moving walkway. Always happy to be out in places like this, like that. I don't know how this could be any better. And I just want to get back and look at some of this footage because it's just breathtaking, astonishing. Don't even know the right words to use to explain what this is. Okay, I'm headed out of this place. It's officially Operation Get Food and get back to the hotel before burning to a crisp. I'm just getting dark out here, so yeah, awesome day. Headed back. Whew. The hiking never gets old. So I think about it. What's life gonna be like when I get home? I know for a fact it's not gonna be anything like what I left, besides the surroundings themselves. Besides that, what I wanna work on, what I wanna do, what I wanna spend my time doing, how I wanna do it, I want it to look completely different. I've just stepped out, I'm getting some clarity, I'm thinking up some ideas, I'm putting some work in. When I get back, it's on just like normal. Game time, game face. I'm looking forward to that. Until then, I'm at the beautiful beaches, traveling the world, enjoying the heck out of myself. That's all you need to know. Yeah, I'm about to shower, get some new clothes, and go get some food. Like always, I will see you in the next video.